It's Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Lakeview East, looking out at Lake Michigan from a window at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive. One of the few apartment buildings in Chicago where you can have a Lakeshore Drive address, and looking out toward the great dining nightlife scene that you're going to find in Lakeview East. Just met up with Max for a walk through one of the apartments.
Hey Joe, and so we're here in unit 1500. It's a 2-bedroom apartment here at 3130 Lakeshore. Nice spacious living room, tons of natural light. After what you saw there with Joe, with some beautiful views of the Lakeview East neighborhood. I'm gonna check out the kitchen, some nice updates on that kitchen.
Looking at the hall entry closet and a mirror here, which is a nice touch.
Absolutely, nice little finish there.
Then we start seeing one of the things that planned property is known for, the great storage space. We have this pantry or linen cabinet outside the bath.
Absolutely. We take great pride in our closet space.
Nice freshly updated bath, and you've got a mirrored medicine cabinet.
And look at that view of the lake right in your bedroom. Get some nice views of the Belmont Harbor on a beautiful day.
Again, great closets in this bedroom, and looking at plank flooring that extends throughout the living and sleeping areas.
Second bedroom, another great lake view.
And this is a bedroom that's big enough to accommodate really any size bed.
Oh yeah.
And some additional furniture.
For sure. More closet space there too. (3130) Lakeshore Drive is a fantastic building. It's got a fitness center, business center. It's a dog-friendly building with 0 pet fees. Give us a call today. The units don't last long.
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.